Hello and welcome to What the Hey, where I'm your regular host of What the Hey, and today in What the Hey, I'm once again answering yet another question. When I go to my notebook of knowledge, I see the question of, what the hey is a cheese sandwich? Now this question was asked by Robotic Guy 135, so hello to you and thank you very much for the question. Now, in terms of a very basic description, a cheese sandwich essentially is the simplistic idea of putting a preferred type of cheese between two preferred slices of bread. I did quickly want to go over the definition of a sandwich as well, because sometimes I think that's controversial. So apparently the legit definition is, a sandwich is a food typically consisting of vegetables, sliced cheese or meat, placed on or between slices of bread, or more generally any dish wherein bread serves as a container or wrapper for another food type. Which technically means that a hot dog is a sandwich. I think this was a debate a little bit ago, and I was on team hot dog is a sandwich because, it's in between two things of bread, but then the bread's connected, so I was like, wait, but it is a sandwich. There are actually a few different names for a cheese sandwich. You have stuff like grilled cheese, you have cheese dream, and then there's stuff like cheese toasties. There are also a couple different methods for how you can have a cheese sandwich, which I already kind of mentioned, grilled cheese, where it's like you heat up the bread and the cheese melts, so it's like a grilled cheese sandwich. And then you can also kind of just have them like cold or raw. I don't really think raw is a good word for it, but it's just like two slices of bread accompanying a cheese slice in the middle, like that's it. There was actually a legit cheese sandwich eating competition in 1889 in Greenville, Pennsylvania, where Henry Hoffman, the winner, ate like 16 sandwiches in 15 minutes, so that's kind of like 1.5 sandwiches per minute, kind of. Wow. That dude probably had some like severe constipation after a few days, but he won, so I guess it was worth it. So in terms of my general opinion, I'm actually gonna make a cheese sandwich, specifically a grilled cheese sandwich. So if you want to make a grilled cheese, you'd literally just like heat up a stove, so I'm gonna get that going. Then you take like butter or margarine or something to like make the bread, grillable. So you just kind of like swipe the butter or whatever on the bread. Then all that's really left is just getting the cheese. And now we wait. I did also want to show I got something new for videos and like how to end them and stuff. I've started to enjoy the concept of stamps, so you can't really see it, but I got a flamingo stamp. Usually I just put a check mark beside the questions that I finish, but I'm gonna like put a flamingo stamp on the page so I know I'm done. So I guess I'll just like, I don't know, place it here. Yay! Flamingo, yay! Pretty much done. Here it is on one side, here it is on the other. You just got a decent little sandwich for you. I think this is apparently a giant thing in like the United Kingdom, like cheese sandwiches apparently. It's good though. Like you can never really go wrong with like a cheese sandwich and maybe like chicken noodle soup or something. I don't know what else to say. It's a cheese sandwich. It's super good and super simple. So I think that's pretty much the answer to the question. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get to answering them as soon as I can. I do have a Wix website where I kind of show what questions and stuff I'll be covering in the next few weeks. So feel free to check that out. But that's essentially the answer to the question. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.